Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we have a smoked meat and potato burger. Yep, smoked meat and potato. Let's see if I can get some sunshine on that or not. I smoked these in the little Pit Boss Lexington 500 sitting back there, and boy, doesn't that look good. Okay, let's go inside. I'll give a little history to this, and we'll talk about a meat and potato burger and why, and then I'll be back out and we'll give it a taste. First thing I got to do is get the fried potatoes cooked, or my potatoes cooked, and that little slicer right there, go check it out at What We Thought. We're giving one away, and you can make fried potatoes just like this. Meat and potato burgers. Meat, fried potatoes. Now, before I get started, I mean, you know how expensive everything is. I mean, goodness gracious. This chuck roast was... doesn't even have the price on it. I think it was $6 something a pound. So this is 80/20 ground chuck, and notice it says net weight 16 ounces or 1 pound net weight. All right, well, let's just give this a try. Go to pounds. Okay, there we go. Should be 16 ounces. Oh, 15.3, 15.4. There's your pound. Net weight, 16 ounces. 1 pound is not a pound of beef. It's 15, barely even 15 and a half. So you're missing half a pound because you're packaging. All right, so let's stretch this burger out. I gotta tell you, so I guess I could talk to you like this. My dad, he grew up in a mission, and he would always make us tacos. His tacos would always consist of ground beef and fried potatoes all the time, and they were outstanding. I love them today. In fact, I'm going to make some with this mixture today. I'm not going to make all burgers, but anyway, so let's get the potatoes mixed in with the hamburger, and then we'll see what it weighs. Now this is two smaller russets fried potatoes. I don't think I want to use all of it, so I'm going to use the equivalent probably of, I don't know, if you have a big russet potato, that might be half of one. Anyway, you don't want to overload it with potatoes, right? So let's mix it and see how the mixture is. Okay, I said mixture. I guess the real term would be see what the ratio is between meat and potatoes. And I think that looks pretty good. I'm telling you, meat potato tacos, so good. And you know, I looked this up, and I seen other people making meat and potato burgers and stuff, but what they used was shredded potatoes, like hash browns, and mixed it in with the meat. I don't know, it just seemed like too many potatoes, and I kind of like the fried potatoes. Get the little squares. So let's see what this weighs out now after adding. I don't think it was a regular size russet. So, all right. Let me get that on there. We took that 15 ounces to 1 pound, 4.5 ounces. So that's 20.5 ounces. So we gained, what, we gained a half a pound by adding in a potato. And that gives us, shoot, quarter pounders. That'll give us like 6 burgers instead of 4, right? Okay, let's make some burgers. I'm gonna go with probably 4-ounce patties. Boy, look at that, dead on. Let's see if I can do that again. Okay. Looks like about 4 ounces, maybe a little bit over. 4.4. Okay, 4.1, close enough. So I'm going to do 4-ounce patties. And like I said, I could get 6 now instead of 4. 4 1/4 pounders. So we're going to do 2. And I think I am actually going to fry this up and make me some tacos, but that's for another meal. I'm going to get these formed. We're going to get them on the Lexington 500, the Pit Boss, at 250 degrees, and it usually takes roughly 45 minutes. Just like that. I got 2 1/4 pound burgers, got the potatoes in there. Now you can fry up onions in your potatoes. You can actually, you know, make it go even further. I'm just doing the potatoes. I could have added green chilies in there. but I'll most likely put them on top when I build my burger. So anyway, getting these out, get these started. All right, we got the Pit Boss up to 250 degrees even. Now, when I do smash burgers, I love grilled onions. So I'm gonna throw some grilled onions in here, or onions, I'm sorry, sliced onions. I got a little olive oil, sprinkle of salt. I'll let those sit in there while we do the burgers, okay? We're gonna let these go, like I said, probably 45 minutes to an hour. All right, I'll be back. 45 minutes, I just temped them. They're tempting at 160. I'm gonna put some good old American cheese on here. And I'm gonna let this go for about 2 minutes and we'll take them off. I'll see you inside. There's our toasted bun. We're gonna get a patty on there. Actually, I think I'll put some sriracha mayo down first. And a patty. My onions that I put in the smoker there. Love the onions, grilled onions, smoked onions. Oh yeah, I found some green chili, don't you worry. All right, let's double this one up. Patty with cheese, more onion, and the rest of that chili, right? Looks like got the point there. Put the rest of that green chili right there. A little more sriracha mayo. And there you go. Meat and potato burger. Got an onion and cheese and green chilies, so you know it's going to be good. Let's get a taste of this. Okay, I'll cut it in half just so the audience has something to cheer about. Okay, look at that. That there is a smoked meat and potato burger. I got to get a bite of this. There's some onion and green chili on there, of course. You don't have to put green chili. You put whatever toppings you like. I usually don't do lettuce, tomato, sometimes, but not very often. Let's give this a taste. Meat and potato burger. I'll tell you what. I do the meat and potato tacos. That's how my dad used to always make them. They're so good. This meat and potato burger, it's pretty good. I might have to start making these like this more often. All right, thanks for checking this out. Get out there, you know, hey, make your ground beef go further, especially when you're paying $6, $7 a pound. Add some potato, fried potato, and make more burgers. All right, hit the like and subscribe. There goes my AC. It's a nice warm day. Snowing 4 days ago. Crazy. Anyway, I hope you come back. I'll see you on the next video.